How to turn on speedometer in Google Maps. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on speedometer in Google Maps. This feature in Google Maps allows you to see your current speed while navigating. Here's how you can turn on speedometer in Google Maps. For that, you will need to open your Google Maps application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once you reach to this section, here at the top, you will find your profile picture. Tap on this profile picture in the top and this section will pop up. Here at the very bottom, you will find settings option. Tap on this settings and within a second, you will reach to your settings page. Here you need to find navigation settings. Scroll down until you find this option. Once you found this option, tap on it to open it. And once you open it, here scroll down to find driving options section. Once you find this driving options, below it you will find the speedometer. You will also see the toggle button at the right side of the speedometer option. Now tap on it to switch it on. Now once you do so, whenever you are navigating the map, you will see your current speed. So by following these steps, you can enable the speedometer in Google Maps and monitor your speed while navigating. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.